Hello children, what are you doing all? I think all of you are now started your studies well, okay? Because we started our syllabus, no? Yes. Today, now what we have to do? We have to continue our lesson. That is, which lesson? All of you know, no? Which lesson? Yes, English. First lesson, third standards. Red sloppy lips. Red sloppy lips. Okay, red sloppy lips. In the last video, we completed the half of a lesson. Yes, no? We completed half of a lesson. What had happened? Just recall that session and let's summarize something about the lesson. Okay, who is that boy who lost in the rain? The boy name was Victor. The boy name was Victor. Okay. What had happened to him? He lost his way in the rain. In the rain, boy lost his way. Okay. Then, when he lost his way, the rain is coming very heavily, no? So, he want to take a shelter. For that, he entered in the, where he entered? All of you remember, no? Where he entered? He entered in the big red house. Where he entered? He entered in a big red house, which is not clean. It is very dirty and it will not, no one is there in that house and it was not being used for long days. Okay. And the house is full of cobwebs and dirty. Okay. The boy entered in the house. Suddenly, he heard a voice. Which voice? What it's saying? Children, are you remember what the voice that did the Victor heard? What that voice? Yes, it called that. Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? Okay, what it was? It was a monster. Yes, in the old house, he heard a voice of monster. Okay, what do you mean by monster? Monster what is a monster? Yes, Rakshasa. Cartoon Rakshasa, like that it is. Okay, the boy, now when he heard the monster, he saw up in the stairs. He looked at what he seen. He seen that a big monster with a green hair on his head, on his full of the body, and with a green long fingers, with a very heavy legs and the long arms and the legs. It's coming towards the Victor. It's coming towards the Victor. Now Victor get very panicked and he tried to escape from the monster. Let's see. First of all, again I will read this part. Then I will explain the lesson. Okay. Again, he heard the monster say, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" As he followed him down the hall, Victor ran up some stairs at the end of the hall. And then monster followed him. The monster was getting closer and Victor heard the monster say louder, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Victor ran away from the monster down the hall at the top of the stairs and into a room at the end of the hall, closing the door behind him. But he heard louder footsteps coming down the hall, and he had run into a room which had neither windows nor another door. So he hid in a big cupboard in the room. The room door creaked, and again he heard the monster say even louder, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" The frightened boy tucked himself into a corner of the cupboard and hid as best as he could. The cupboard door opened wide, and the huge hairy monster stood before him. Again, so louder that it hurt Victor's ears, the monster once again said, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Victor shook as he replied with fear, "No." The monster said, "Then I will show you." Bluck, 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 bluck. Okay? See. Next, we will again hear this paragraph. See, just you watch the pictures also afterwards. Okay? When the monster was, now, you know that Victor heard the voice of the monster. Then he saw the huge big monster up in the stairs. Then it's coming towards to the Victor. Now Victor trying to escape from the monster. Then he heard the monster say, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" As he followed down the hall, Victor ran up some stairs at the end of the hall, and the monster followed him. Again the monster comes near to him. Again the monster comes near to him in the down hall. Okay, but what the Victor did? Victor ran up some stairs. In the corner, the steps are there to go in the upstairs. He ran up some stairs and he turned back in the corner of the hall. Again, the monster going near to Victor only itself. Okay, now the Victor is, maybe he was scared a lot. No, it will happen usually, because when something unusual things will happen to us, usually we will get scared. ಹೌದಾ, ನಮಗೇನೋ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಂಜಿ ಭಯ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾರು ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಂಗಾಕೈತಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ವಿಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತ, ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಡೆ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ ನಾನಾ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತ. ದ ಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿಕ್ಟರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್. He was up in he ran up the stairs, but the monster is coming near to him. Okay, Victor heard monster say louder again, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Victor ran away from that monster. When the it comes near, he ran away from the monster and down the hall to the top of the stairs and into a room at the end of the hall, closing the door behind him. But he heard loud footsteps coming down the hall, and he ran into a room which had neither windows nor another door, so he hid in a big cupboard in the room. What had happened? Victor ran away from the monster and he in the down hall at the top of the stairs. ಮೆಟ್ಲುಗಳಿಂದ ಏನು ಹಾಲ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಹಾಲ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಫುಲ್ ಓಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ he ran into a room. He entered in a room. How is that room? When he was entering the room like this, he closed it, the door, he closed the door, and then he entered in the room. He saw that there is no any another room door was there to escape, and there is no any windows also to escape from the monster. What he did? So he chose the cupboard. Cupboard means ಅದು ಕಪಾಟದು, ಲಾಕರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಾದೊಳಗ like that is cupboard. In the cupboard he hid himself. Hid means adikonda, hide. He hid himself in the big cupboard. Next, the room door creaked open. Again he heard the monster say even louder, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers. However, when the victor was entering in that room, he already closed the door and then he entered. But when he was in the cupboard, he hid himself as much as possible. The door creaked. Creaked means when you opening the door, it will make a sound. Whenever if you open a door, if you lock a door, sometimes it will make the sound creak. Sometimes that sound the victor heard, and again that voice, the monster is asking again and again, no, that what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers. Again that voice he heard more louder and more near. Okay. The frightened boy tucked himself into a corner of the cupboard and hid as best as he could. The cupboard door opened wide and the huge hairy monster stood before him. You know what had happened? The boy was trying to hide himself in the cupboard too much. Like this he was talking. Like this he was doing some to hide himself very as much as possible. उसे गट्टी हिडिदु मेमड़ा अडुक्कोಳ full corner the cupboard corner मूली होई कुंत he was hiding himself. But what had happened? The monster came and it had opened the door, a wide door. The complete he opened the cupboard. A big green hairy monster stood in front of the victor. Now Victor felt, see, just imagine how much he gets scared, how much he gets frightened with that situation. But still, with the shock, become now get a more shock when he see a monster so closer, and again so louder that even heard Victor's voice. The monster once again said, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Victor shook as he replied with fear, "No." When the monster stood in front of the victor is there in the cupboard only itself. He opened the door and he asked. Again louder, with that much loud sound is there in that search. The victor ears get hurt with that loud sound. The monster asked again, do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? In the shock and the frightened mood, the victor replied, "No, I don't know." He said that, "I don't know." How could Victor know that what the monster will do with his lips? Yes, no? Okay. Then the monster said, "I will show you. I will show you." See now, what that monster had shown? When the monster asking the question, what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers. Finally, Victor, with little bit courage and a lot of shock, he replied that, "I don't know." Then the monster simply he replied, "Then I will show." What he showed that blah 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 blah. Usually, when you are a child, baby in your homes, 2 years, 1 year, 3 years children will be there, no? They will do usually like this. Correct, no? That monster is doing the same thing. He was, then I will show it did, and it shows the that much only the monster did. This much only the story. See, now there is no any scaring thing in this lesson, but how to face the situation that Victor has faced is very important, no? To think of such a situations. Usually, when we together, when we are lips, we put a finger in our lips, and if you took it, it will make a sound. The sound only, that one it is. Never try it again and again, because maybe if you try it again and again, your lips become sloppy like the monster. He had this much of lips, no, ugly. It will not looking beautiful. For that, you don't try it, but it's a nice story, I think. I hope all of you are understood this story. In the next video are some with some photos. with a soft copy, or maybe I will send the textbooks exercises in the which are given in the upcoming pages. Okay, what you have to do read the full lesson completely and try to understand the words meanings which are difficult for you. Which words are difficult for you, just you go with the dictionary and read it 2-3 times for your best understanding. Okay children, I hope this lesson will be more interesting for you and you enjoyed it a lot. Okay, we will meet in our next video with the next lesson and with the next best activity, maybe in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.